I've been a big fan of my smartwatches, and I was looking for a new one. Most of my smartwatches are kind of military looking, they're outdoor, kind of rugged looking. This one looks super sleek, super stylish, it's slim, kind of a metal look, has all the features that all my other ones had. It's an Amazfit GTR4. Comes with a bunch of stuff, but primarily you get your charging. It's a magnetic charger, USB. Charges up fine. It's got a nice band that's super adjustable. This magnetizes right to the back, and you plug it in. It has kind of a cool effect. It took about an hour to charge, and the battery life is very long. It's days. Kind of depends on if you're using it with your phone or how often you're doing things with it. But as you can see, nice and stylish. It has just 2 buttons, which I really like. And when you use this button, I can twist it like an old-fashioned watch and go through the stuff, but it's still touch screen. It can go through all kinds of different watch faces. For example, I really do like this one for a couple of reasons. It's given me the time now, the date, how much left is on the battery, how many steps I've done today, but is around the corner, around the edges, it's given me the time in all those different places around the world. A really cool kind of subtle watch with a lot of data. Really like it. From Amazfit, and it's the GTR4. Hope this helps.